Hello first loves, Merry Christmas! Hi! So for this video, I just wanted to greet all of you first, Merry Christmas, and I hope that you had a wonderful time and that you love the gifts that you received, whether it's a material thing or it's just a lot of love and support from your family and friends and special someone. So I hope that you are happy, and I am very happy too. And for today, I just wanted to share with you how I made this fun Christmas look that is so cute for my Christmas sweater. Modern, fun Santa Claus. What? Mrs. Claus? Miss Claus? But yeah, so without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with priming with my Ģerlain Starlight Rose Glow Booster CC Serum. To prime and moisturize my lips, I'm using my Guerlain Kiss Kiss Morning Rose Lip Balm. For foundation, I'm going to use my YSL Yves Saint Laurent Foundation Stick in Warm Ivory. To set the concealer, I am going to use my Guerlain Lingerie de Peau Compact in 02 Clear Rose or Light Cool. And I am going to use that or dust it with my Sigma F37 Spotlight Duster Brush. For contouring, I'm going to use my ultimate favorite Laura Mercier Custom Contour Palette, and I'm just gonna grab it with my fingers and blend it with my Real Techniques brush. Now for the nose contour, I'm just gonna use my ᴄՂᴇᴄᴜᴛ brush. For bronzer, I'm going to use my Burberry Essential Glow palette, and it looks like this. So I'm just going to grab this bronzer right here using my ᴄՂᴇᴜᴜᴛ brush. For blush, I am going to use my Tome for Soleil Contouring Compact in 02 Soleil Afterglow. And I will just grab the blush right here, this one, using my Refer 04 brush for the very first time. So excited. For highlight, I am going to use my Carolina Herrera Highlighting Compact. I just really love the packaging of this one because you can customize it, and I chose this zebra print, and it looks like this. It's magnetic, so you can choose whatever you wanted in your compact, but I chose the highlight, and this is a cream highlight, so I love to use this one before I put a powder highlight to make it last longer. Since it's Christmas, I would like to use my Becca Apres Ski Glow Face Palette for the highlighter, and I just wanted to mix the opal and the icicle highlighting shades right here. So for brows, I am going to first apply this NYX Tame Frame in chocolate, and then my Eveline brow pomade in soft brown, using my Spectrum Collections Disney Cruella de Vil eyebrow brush. I'm using Maybelline Instant Age Eraser concealer to prime my lids. So since it's Christmas, I'm going to do this little bit of experiment. Hopefully I'll be able to pull this off. And I'm going to use Zulu by Juvia's palette. And I will just grab the two Christmassy shades over here. The one is the green one, maybe this, and then the red right here. But I have some reds also and greens from H&M. So whichever has the best color payoff, then that's the one that I will be using. So these are the H&M eyeshadows that I might be using also. Red and green. Alright, so let's start. So first I am going to grab this green shade over here from the Juvia's palette, and I will use my Sigma E38 brush. I think I am still going to need my H&M eyeshadow here in the shade Aventurine. So I'm just going to go grab that and put that on top of the green shade from the Juvia's palette. Now from the same palette, I am going to grab the red shade right here. And we'll put that on the inner part of the crease. I will just intensify the red, and I will now use my H&M eyeshadow in the shade In the Red. Now I will just apply concealer to emphasize on this eye look. In my Tartelette in Bloom palette, I am just going to grab this shade right here, which is called Flower Charm, and put that on the part where I put the concealer. So I have edited quite a lot off camera. I removed some shadows over here. I just wanted like a little thinner, and then I put concealer over here to lift it a little bit more, and then over here to in the inner corners. Now I'm just going to diffuse this part because I just want it sharp on this wing part, but not on the shadows and on the eyes. So I'm just going to diffuse that a little bit. I think I should add a little bit of the green from Juvia, so the diffusion will be much better. Maybe I add this one for a change. A little bit of shimmer there. Now for eyeliner, I'm going to use this Maybelline, and this is called the Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Liner. I will just smoke the wing line a bit with this Chanel eyeshadow palette in the shade, or in the palette called Charming, and I will just use the ones right here at the very end. Now I will just add a little bit of green sparkles from this Eye Magic glitter palette. And I will grab this one right here. Now I will put some mascara from my Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir. So the lashes are on. I also put that on the other side. Poof! And now for the last part, I will put on lipstick. And I will be using my MAC Mariah Carey All I Want. It's too light, but I was thinking of like going all bold red. But yeah, maybe I will have this one first, and then later on I could change into a red. This is how it looks. It has a butterfly in there and Mariah's signature in this part of this lipstick. And there you have it, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me on this video for Christmas. It's December 24th, and yeah, I hope that you had fun watching my video, and I gave you an idea on makeup look that's a little challenging but fun. And yes, I hope that you had a wonderful Christmas day and that all your Christmas wishes come true. And yes, so for everybody who are on different parts of the world, I wish you and your family happy holidays. And if you are not really celebrating Christmas, I still do hope that you are safe and that you're happy. And New Year is just around the corner, so I really do hope that we have a wonderful 2021. 2020 may not be the best, it's very challenging, but I hope that you are all safe and healthy. And yes, wishing you all the best to you and your family. Thank you so much once again for joining me on this journey, on my YouTube journey for the entire year. And for those who have watched my Vlogmas, thank you. I really, really appreciate all your support. I get emotional just telling you how appreciative I am and very happy of all of your support. I love you all. And remember to stay fierce and fly high. See you in my next video.